apparatus. This is going to be really brief. They're just looking for some closure, and there seems to be some missing info.
All right, let's get to it then.
So, it's my understanding that Amelia was a close friend of yours. Where were you on the night she was murdered?
Oh, so sudden. I was at my desk, doing my work. Nothing extraordinary. It was a smooth, cold night, you could say.
Right. Well, I took the time to go back and review some files from that night. You were on file saying that she needs some fresh air. I quote, "I kept doing my work and she went to the bathroom." However, there's no evidence that supports that. In fact, no one ever took the time to figure out your whereabouts. So I wonder why.
Detective Allen. I do consider myself a dear friend of hers. The night of the incident, I found her in the hallway, bleeding out from her neck. There was absolutely no one around. I did what anybody would have done. I called 911. I was going to chase whoever did it, but there was no point. It was done. I asked myself why. She was kind to everyone. Who would? She's just there. You can hear the noise of a vacant hallway. No one to hear, no one to see. It's almost beautiful. The night, vibrant, full of energy. In the end, she finds freedom. So do I.